Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Perfect Prox, and let's start learning English with Katy Perry song Chained to the Rhythm.
Turn it up, it's your favorite song.
Turn it up. Turn it up means to increase the volume or strength of a sound, heat, extra by turning a knob or switch on a device. It also means to reveal or discover something. For example, she turned the sound up. New Yorkers confidently expect the inquiry to turn up nothing. Rhythm is strong, regular, repeated pattern of movement or sound. Ruth listened to the rhythm of his breathing.
It's your favorite song. Dance, dance, dance to the distortion.
Distortion. To do something until it is completely ruined or destroyed. The virus causes distortion of the leaves.
Are you lonely? Up there in utopia.
Utopia. It means an imaginary place or state of things in which everything is perfect. For example, this world is not a utopia because it contains too much crime and starvation.
We think we're free. Drink this one on me. We're all chained to the rhythm.
On me. This means that the person speaking will pay the whole amount, used typically when something purchased is shared between two or more people, such as a restaurant meal. For example, dinner was $40. Here is my $20. Now keep your money, it's on me.
Turn it up, keep it on repeat. Stumbling around like a wasted zombie.
Stumbling. It means to make repeatedly mistake, especially in speech. For example, when the poet stumbled over a line in the middle of a poem, someone in the audience corrected him.
Liars, time is ticking for the empire.
Time is ticking. This means that the time for something to be done is passing quickly. Hurry up. For example, the clock is ticking on that project. I hope you enjoy our video. So turn the grey like button in blue and press the subscribe button in case you are new, along with the bell button. Thanks for watching.